Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily customize your home page on Google Chrome. So what you can do is just go right down to this corner and there is this customize, but you need to be in the home page in a new tab. You can't be somewhere here, you won't find it. So I'm here, I'm going to click customize and you can see the background. You can upload your photo or you can choose, let's say that I'm going to choose art or earth, and let's say I choose this one, done, and you can see it. Now let's say that I can have no background at all, it's going to be black, seascapes, or I can upload my own. I don't have anything here, but let's download. Alan Watts is my favorite philosopher. For example, this one, and let's download it. Save the image. Desktop. And now upload from device, and I have it here. But it's really, I recommend is not having any text here because it won't be pretty here. But that's how we can do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And it's kind of it. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya.